two-way communication with animals. For centuries, we believed animals acted on instinct alone. No language, no conversation, no inner world like ours. Then, in late 2025, everything changed. Using generative AI acoustic models, scientists cracked the code of sperm whale clicks and honeybee dances, not just translating them, but responding. Researchers deployed a robotic bee, fed it instructions, and sent it into a hive. The bees listened, they understood, and they obeyed. For the first time in history, the wall between human and animal consciousness collapsed. Time crystals are stable. Time crystals sound like science fiction, matter that doesn't repeat in space, but in time, a system that moves forever without consuming energy. For years, they were theoretical. Then scientists proved something impossible. Time crystals can remain stable at room temperature. This breaks entropy, the rule that says everything slows, decays, and dies. It opens the door to machines that could run for 1 billion years without a battery. Time itself has started looping. Seeing around corners. Reality has always obeyed one rule. If you can't see it, you can't know it. Until now. Using ultra-fast laser pulses, scientists perfected non-line-of-sight imaging. They fire light at a wall, measure how it scatters, and reconstruct a full 3D image of objects hiding around corners. No X-rays, no mirrors, just physics bent into surveillance magic. There is no such thing as hidden anymore. Biological telepathy. In 2025, 2 human brains were linked directly. No speech, no gestures, no screens. One person thought of a movement, the other person's hand moved. Not guessed, not interpreted, transferred. This wasn't mind reading. It was mind-to-mind communication, the first successful case of direct brain-to-brain data transfer. The Internet of Brains has officially begun. Energy from thin air. For all of history, energy had a cost: fuel, sunlight, motion. Then, scientists discovered something terrifyingly simple. The air itself is electric. Using tiny nanopores, researchers learned how to pull electricity directly from humidity. No wind, no heat, no moving parts, just atmosphere. From tiny sparks to powering real sensors, they proved something impossible. The sky is a battery, and it never runs out. Room temperature superconductivity. For decades, superconductors were a dream, perfect conductors that wasted zero energy. But there was a catch. They only worked near absolute zero. Until now. Scientists announced a material that superconducts at room temperature and normal pressure. No resistance, no loss, no limits. Power grids without waste, trains without friction, computers beyond heat. The age of lossless electricity has arrived. These aren't upgrades. They aren't inventions. They are cracks in the foundation of reality itself. And if this is what science proved this year, what impossible thing do you think will fall next?